Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will study the concepts of database and DBMS. So let us start the video. Database is about data. Before going to see what database is, first of all, we have to know what is data. Data is simply information about something like, for example, your name, your age, your height, your weight, mobile number, etc. So basically, this is the information about you. That means this is the data about you. Let us consider another example of mobile. Company who built the mobile, price of the mobile, mobile model name, information about storage, battery backup, processor, etc. All are the data about the mobile. Formats of data. Data can be in many formats like numbers, text, pictures, audio, video, etc. So now we will see what is database. According to the definition, database is a collection of related data stored electronically in a systematic manner. So now we will discuss about this definition. It is a collection of related data. That means if we consider a college, there will be a data of courses, teachers, students, etc., which will be related to each other. There will be a particular teacher teaching a particular course to students. There will be a students taking different course. So to make a database of a college, we need to collect all the data about courses, teachers, students, etc., which will be interrelated with each other. Next, data stored electronically. That means data stored in computer system in a electronic manner. It is stored in data servers. For example, we had to fill a paper form and submit it by going to the college. Nowadays, you need to fill an online form to apply in a college. That means your data filled on online form is stored electronically in college database. In database, data is stored or arranged in systematic manner. Data is stored in tables in rows and column format. Data is not anyhow. Let us see an example of database. So, this is an example. We have considered a small database of a company. There are two tables present in it. One is a department table and other one is an employee table. These are the attributes of the table. For example, if we make a table of students, then roll number, name, class, division will be its attributes. These are the rows of the table. Each row is one individual record. These are the columns of the table. One individual record in table is also called as tuple. Now we will see what is DBMS. DBMS is a database management system. So basically it is a system used to manage the database. Users interact with the database with DBMS. When you have a database, you need to manage it. Like you need to insert data, update the existing data, delete unwanted data. You need to make sure who has access to the data like that. This is all done by the using DBMS, that is database management system. Things we can do with DBMS. First one is control access with DBMS. We can decide who can access the data and how much data can someone access. For example, if there is a college database, then each student must have access only his or her own data. On the other hand, a teacher can have access to all students' data. This can be managed through DBMS. Manipulate data. If you want to insert a new record or a data, or update existing data, or delete unwanted data, or any other operation on the database, we can perform using DBMS. Representation of data. The data stored in the database is well organized by using the DBMS. So we have seen about what is database and what is a database management system. So if you got to learn anything from this video, please like the video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.